This system can generate a lot of money for you simply by typing pages. You can earn $20 by typing a page, $120 for typing 6 pages, and $600 for typing 30 pages per day. This can be done using your mobile phone or computer. You can type as much as you want and can earn as much money as you can. And this opportunity is 100% free and available worldwide, so make sure you watch until the end. The sign-up process is very tricky, that's why your full attention is needed so you won't miss out on anything. And if you want to make more money than others, I will be giving away another bonus website later on in this video. So keep your eyes glued to the screen. Before I proceed, welcome to Rachel's Money Guide, where I teach you how to make money online the easiest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever I upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Now let's get back to the video. When you do a few calculations using this website's information, you can easily estimate how much money you can earn from this brand new opportunity. Look closely at this rate per word, which means how much money you can get paid per word that you type. A page contains 300 words, which equals 5 cents in US dollars. Check out this typing name project right here. This is page number 1, and over here this one is page number 2, and also page number 3. Each of these pages can get you paid by simply typing names. Here is a page that will pay you $15, and the total word count is 300 words. Take a look at this, $15 per page, and you can even receive up to 27 to 35 pages daily, which means you can easily earn up to $600 or more per day simply by typing names on this website, and this is a very good earning opportunity. The first website that we will be using to make money in this video is talentdesire.com. With this website, you don't need to invest anything to get started, it's 100% free. In this video, we're going to focus on online typing jobs because it's the easiest. When you scroll down below, you can see that they offer different opportunities to work from home as well, including online proofreading jobs, freelancing, blogging, online pages surveys, language translator, and there are other projects that you can do. But our focus in this video is typing names because it requires no experience or tech skills. You can go ahead and click on this red button right here for more information. Now when you come over here, it shows that you can earn $16,800 up to $36,000 annually. It's a very good earning opportunity for people and it works worldwide. No sign-up fees whatsoever. There are no hidden costs before or after joining and no form of investment at all. You can also be paid different rates ranging from beginners up to the experts. I'll give you a special bonus tip that can help you to earn a higher rate later on. But even if you are a total newbie, you can earn like an expert and I'll show you how to do that. The first website we will use in this video is ratatype.com. This is the homepage of the website where you can take a free typing test. I want you to click on this yellow button right here and you'll be directed to this page where you can start typing, using a phone or using a computer. Click on Start Typing Now and click on this yellow button right here. And the reason why I want you to do this speed typing test is that this website will offer you a free certificate after you complete this task. The reason why you will need a typing certificate is that it will boost your income and your earnings rates per page. And this is the ultimate secret because even if you're a complete newbie, with this certificate you can get paid at higher rates and get unlimited job opportunities. So once again, you need to keep watching to see exactly how to get this certificate and how to complete your application on talentdesire.com. This website can calculate your typing rate and typing accuracy, and your accuracy should be within the range of 98 to 99.99%. The higher your accuracy, the more money you can make. If your speed is slower or if your accuracy is lower than 98%, you can always go back to the website ratatype.com and retake the typing test for 100% free until you get a higher speed or higher accuracy. Once you're satisfied with your results, you can scroll down below and sign up for a free account on Ratatype using the link shown here. Just enter your name, email address, password, and agree to their terms and conditions. After signing up for a free account, come over to Ratatype and log in to check the results, typing speed, and accuracy. And when you scroll down a bit, you can see the certificate. This certificate right here is very good for you and you can get paid a much higher rate. Keep watching because I'll show you how to sign up and how to register and apply for a typing job on talentdesire.com, where you can earn $15 over and over again for projects like this one right here. Now when you scroll down below, you can click on this print button. You can do this using your computer or your mobile phone as well. You just have to save the image of your certificate or save it as a PDF file. Right here is my actual certificate that I got from the Ratatype website for absolutely free. You can begin to apply for a job at Talent Desire once you get a certificate just like this. So we're going to go over to talentdesire.com and I want you to scroll down to the very bottom of this website and I want you to click on this red button which says Apply Now. And then you'll come over to this page where you can start applying for your job. But please pay very close attention and watch this video until the very end because the registration page on here is quite tricky and hard to find. You might get lost along the way or fail to find the registration page if you don't watch this part carefully. Now once you land on this page, just scroll down below and you can see here select an application. Click on this red link and after that you're going to come over to this page where you can see an online application form for work-at-home jobs. I want you to scroll down below and look for this small red link right here which says fill in your details to apply and work with us. As you can see here, the registration page is the very heading on this website. If you cannot find the registration page, make sure you rewatch this video, or you can bookmark or save this video to your playlist and rewatch this video once again. When you scroll down below this page, you can see that you need to fill in your personal information. The first thing that you have to do is to click on this Accept the privacy policy. Then enter your first name, your last name, your email address, your contact numbers, and also your country. Then click on the down arrow and you can see that they are accepting people from all over the world, including countries like India, Philippines, United States, Nigeria, Pakistan, and the United Kingdom, and other countries. The next step is all about your professional information, and it is a very important section, so pay attention here to avoid mistakes. Now, I want you to type in the job title section, which is Professional Data Entry Specialist. And it is very important to type a job title just like this one and then choose what time is best for you. Next, click on this down arrow right here and you can select whatever time you want. But I want you to choose all day because that's going to give you more opportunities and more jobs, meaning that you can earn more money online. Then choose your best way to receive your earnings. Click on this down arrow here and you can choose from PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, direct deposit, or any of these payment options. Scroll down below to choose your current professional status and you can choose any of the statuses right here. So in this case, I just choose self-employed, and once you fill out all the details, you can then proceed and click yes, I have read and accepted the above statement, and also don't forget your signature. Just put in your full name right here and click on I'm not a robot. After that, just click on the submit button, as simple as that. Once you're accepted, you can begin receiving the typing names jobs just like this. In one page, you can earn $20 for just 300 words. And then for the second page, you can see another $20. For the third page, that's another $20. You can earn $20 over and over again for every single page that you type. And also, to keep getting a lot more daily jobs, remember to submit them on time, and that's it. Do you want to learn how you can earn money on Amazon by simply copy and pasting? Click here!